Hey guys, welcome to Alvin Mark's Offsite Studio. We're in the UK right now and we're gonna run through Sir Alfred Munnings' works. I was just introduced to him during this trip. Just a quick note that he was born in 1878 and he died in 1959, not too long ago. Just really quick that he started out as an illustrator, doing advertisements and all that. His penmanship was superb, and he was also trained in traditional classical work. His anatomy studies of horses is very strong. He knew it inside out. Here are some illustrations that he did. His house is now a museum down in Suffolk, UK. And if you're interested in what it looks like, you can click on this link here. So here are his paintings. It's a very thin book, so I'll be able to flip through every single page of this book. So all his works are done in and out of the studio. This is just to show that he has classical training too at Julien's atelier in Paris. Amazing color or understanding of light, and also the human figure. Note that painters who are very strong in their illustrative skills, that becomes very apparent when you see them paint. The style is very impressionistic, very loose, yet you can see that it's very strong. Just gorgeous. During the First World War, he was invited to camp out with the soldiers, and that's where he made drawings and pictures of them at war. It's gorgeous. This is his home, which is now a museum. Look at that, just incredible. And there you have it. This is a very thin book. I think he has several volumes. So this one is just a taster and a preview of his work, so I hope you have been inspired. Alvin Mark here in the UK. Thank you so much for joining me this time round. Until the next inspiring video, whether I'm out painting or featuring an artist. Ciao ciao.